Hi everyone, I'm Master Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. Thank you so much for your views and wonderful comments. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today we continue to expand our royal balloon set collection. You can find the link to the first video in the description. And today I'm going to teach you how to make my favorite, the classic sword. How to inflate the balloon. Give a little stretch first, then fill it with air. Make sure to leave a long tail, about 4 fingers long, and tie it off. If you are not sure how to tie a balloon without a string, I have linked a tutorial for you in the description. First, twist a pinch twist. And then a loop twist. This will be the guard. That's the part of the sword that protects the hand. Now we make 5 little bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more pinch twist. How to finish the handle and the blade? It's simple, just thread the long part of the balloon through the loop. Straighten the bubbles out, and your magnificent classic sword is ready. Our royal collection is growing so fast with these new additions. Don't forget to like and follow. If you want to support us or buy me a cup of coffee once a month, you can use the join button. All the links in the description. We are grateful for your help. I wish you endless creative inspiration. I'll see you in the next tutorial. With love, Master Daisy. Bye!